5 businesses that'll quickly take you to 5K a month, and especially if you know a lot of realtors. Let's get right to it. Number 1, starting a cleaning company. I don't know if you've noticed, but cleaning companies are popping up all over the place and they're in very high demand because of Airbnbs. Number 2, starting a loan signing agent business. All right. All you need to do is connect with title companies. Loan signing agents are the people who help real estate buyers to sign the documents, and they explain the docs to them. All right, number 3, starting a property management company. If you're near the big city and a lot of investors are always in your town, guess what? They're always looking for good property managers to manage their houses. All right, so the next one let's talk about is junk removal. You will be surprised how much in demand junk removal companies are, especially when you're dealing with realtors who deal with investors. A lot of these houses they buy are houses full of junk, and they just turn into these great, beautiful houses once they're cleaned out and cleaned up. Finally, wholesaling real estate. Now, this is one of my loves, all right? Wholesaling real estate, you basically market yourself as a house buyer. And when somebody has a good deal and they need someone to buy their house fast for cash, you connect them with the cash buyer and you are the middle person. You make a commission. All right, those are my 5. I think I did all 5. Junk removal, wholesaling real estate, loan signing real estate, property management, and cleaning company. All right, thanks for watching this video. This channel is all about business funding, entrepreneurship, and real estate. So be sure to subscribe with the red button and hit the bell notification, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.